Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the device so nothing gets lost. First, back up to iTunes or iCloud. This protects your data if you need to restore. Once done, make sure battery is above 20% and flip airplane mode on to stop background connections. Next, disable Wi-Fi and cellular briefly. This forces the system to drop stale sessions. These steps prevent interruptions and let you make clean changes to network and account settings before moving into fixes. You now clear the network and reset the account link so the App Store can re-authenticate. Go to Settings and choose Reset Network Settings. This clears DNS and cached routes that often block connections. Once the phone restarts, sign out of your Apple ID under Settings Store, then sign back in to refresh credentials. If the App Store shows SSL or certificate errors, set the date manually back to January 1, 2013 to bypass certificate mismatches. Then try opening the store again. You finish by restoring normal connections and verifying the store loads. Turn off airplane mode and re-enable Wi-Fi, then open the App Store and let it fully load. You may need to tap Updates or Featured to trigger content. Once it works, reset the date and time to automatic so certificates remain valid. If issues persist, restore your backup via iTunes or consider updating the device firmware if available. That fixes deeper SSL or protocol incompatibilities that the
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.